Happy birthday, Nelima.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Nelima, this is Sulu speaking.
And Alex next to Sulu.
You sing
I'm going to sing
happy birthday.
happy birthday song to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Auntie. You've been so sweet and good.
Really, Nelima, you're really so dear to me. I love you, Nelima, and love you. How are you, Nelima? Happy with everyone around you. We'll come next month. We'll come.
And I remember you, particularly in Nasik. What a wonderful person you were, and what love you showed to all of us. God bless you, Auntie, and continue to look after you and keep you happy always.
You are happy there with Lali, no?
Yeah, she's a wonderful person from what I hear, the way she looks after you, and I'm sure you are very, very happy.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama. We wish you the best, and we look forward to celebrating many more birthdays with you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Amama. This is Sujit. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Amama. This is Kalpana, your Omana. We are all here to wish you a very happy birthday. Wish we were there with you, Amama. I always remember you and the lovely person you are and the lovely recipes you've given me, Amama. I really am happy the way you have taken care of all of us. This is the little girl. You were there when she was born, and how lovingly you always were so giving, Amama.
Happy birthday, Amma. Have a great year. We have so many hearts for you, Amma. Tell you that we love you so much. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Amama, happy birthday. So 98, another 2 years and 100. I'm waiting for that. I'm really sorry I can't be there with you today. But I wish you a very happy birthday. All God's blessings for this new year, His protection over you, His comfort, His guidance, and His love that should encompass you, and that's my prayer for you, Amama. Have a great day, and I hope your children make it extra special since we grandchildren are not around.
Happy birthday, Ma. God bless you. You've been a blessing to us as a family, and thank you for being there for us. Mrs. Bunyan, you never give up and don't give up. All the best to you. I love you.
We love you.
We love you. Yeah.
And waiting to share a piece of cake with you soon. Take care, Amama. Love you loads. Mwah. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nelima. Thank you. You've been such a blessing to us. I always remember the fun times we had with you. Sorry we can't come to Bangalore, Nelima, to wish you personally. God bless you and happy birthday, Nelima.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama. Thank you so much. I remember all the puttus that I used to eat when I used to come to Bangalore. Thank you so much for being there. You've been such a blessing to us, Mama. Thank you so much. And God bless you, Mama. Praise God for one more year in your life. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday to you, Amma.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama.
Happy birthday. God bless you, Nelima. God bless you.
to add when Asha said that, it reminds me of something, that you have blessed so many people with our daily light. And we read it every day for years. God bless you. We love you. Bye.
Hello Nelia Mama, this is Rajiv here. Wish you a very happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Amma. So sad that we cannot come and celebrate this day with you, but we were able to put together a video and let you know that we'll be thinking of you on the 15th, and we wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you for all that you have done for me and for us, and the care, the love, the protection. I know I'm your eldest grandchild, and so you have indulged majorly in me and made me fat like this, feeding me butter and potato. But thank you for all your love and your concern. And I draw a lot of inspiration from you, and I keep thinking about you many times, and I just remember your smiling face. No matter what the circumstance, no matter what difficulty, I have never seen you cry. I have only seen you crack a joke or make it light-hearted and get through it. And I've learned to do that from you. Thank you, Velamichi, for being an example.
Hi Velamichi, wishing you a very happy birthday. This is Ria. I'm so happy to have a great grandmother like you and to see so much of you. I miss coming to Bangalore and spending my summer vacations with you and playing Scrabble with you. And also you correcting Tanya and I not to jump on the sofas and to eat properly, sit properly at the table, sit straight. Yeah, so I'm so happy for you and I'm so proud of you, Velamichi. God bless you and have a wonderful year.
Hi Velamichi, this is Tan. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Have a wonderful year.
Okay, happy birthday once again. God bless you. We'll be thinking of you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama.
God bless you. May you have many years to come. Love Alfie, Tammy and Rocky.
Happy birthday, Nelia Mama. This is Sidhu, Heather, Alyssa, Aiden, and Amara. I hope you have a good day and a good year. We love you. Bye.
Bye.